Hanging out at New Country Mini. We're here in Hartford. Their upside down car there. It's pretty cool. They got another car up on the roof. Come down here if you like these cars. Come down here, definitely check these out. These are some fun cars. Ask for Jeff, and he'll definitely help you out. What's up, guys? Welcome. Today we're taking a look at this 2022 Mini Cooper Hardtop. This is essentially a base model here with the base engine. Produces 134 pound-feet of torque. It's a 3-cylinder, listed at $25,000 here. We're sitting on 15-inch rims. Definitely got that mini look. You don't have the stripe on this one, but definitely a mini, you can tell. We've got the LED lights here, which is nice. This is the hardtop version. Like I said, you can also get it in a convertible. You got the roof rails. The panoramic sunroof is actually standard. This one has a sunroof delete. Take a look back here. You got the Union Jack in the tail lights, which is cool, and these LED tail lights. Single exhaust down there. Your trunk release there. Press out. Not a whole lot of space. It's nice that it's got this groove down here. So in my GTI, actually, you can kind of lower the carpet down and get a little more space. This one just has it built in, which is kind of nice. You know, not a ton of space, but it's, you know, it's a hatchback. It's definitely usable. You can pop these down too, which is nice if you need that extra space. And pop the hood twice. So shaking around. Like I said, we got the 1.5-liter 3-cylinder in this guy. If you upgrade to the S, you get the 189 horsepower with the 2-liter turbo in that one. And then the JCW gives you 228 horsepower. That's the top of the line engine. You're looking at 162 pound-feet of torque in this one. Okay, it is a 2-door. Go ahead and hop in the back. Obviously, this seat is not set for me right now. This one, it would get pretty tight back here if I pulled this all the way back. You got the cup holder back here, another cup holder here, another one over there, but I don't think I'd want to be back here for too long unless I was, you know, a kid or something. Got your lock, your latches here for the kid seats. Got nice leather. Feels pretty good. Headroom's actually not too bad up here, back here. You know, it does have that hatchback shape to it, which is good. We're looking at manual seats here. Your standard kind of funky door handles going in. Of course, not doing anything your standard way. Has these cool round keys here. Round vents, the square one. You got this interesting shiny plastic here. These little tiny spots here to throw your stuff. There's not really much room for anything there. You can really fit a water bottle. It's there. It's something. Cup holders. USB port down there. Yeah. 3 pedals, of course, in this one. Got the updated infotainment. So this is the same as the Countryman. You know, this really hasn't changed much over the years, but it's nice. You got the media stuff here, which again is nice departure from the touchscreen. Your little, kind of throw this out of the way if you don't like it. So you can do touch on here as well. If you're not a fan of the controls down here, you can just do touch here. This is nice and smooth. It's a cool graphics. Definitely wanted to make it interesting. You got your safety features there. You just push this button to get into that. It's nice. Standard mini start here. Go ahead. Start this guy up. You get your colors here as you do that, which is cool. Beeping at me about my seatbelt, that's fine. And again, you know, you turn the air up, you get the lights, which is cool. You do get the heated seats, which is not going to be used on this super hot day right now. Got this updated display here, which is really cool. You know, the whole thing's digital. You've got your buttons here. I kind of actually liked in the Countryman I drove where it had some like actual distinct buttons. This kind of panel here is not really my favorite. I wish they were individual distinct buttons, but no big deal. Got a full round steering wheel. Pretty standard. No D shape. A lot of the sportier cars are going to the D shape, but this one we just got the full circle here. There's 6 speed here, of course. Nice and notchy. Reverse all the way over here, past the lockout. Nice big display there. No lines on this one. You're gonna have to guide it yourself, but that's no big deal. We do have a manual handbrake in this one, which is nice. Take a ride. So this does just have the 3-cylinder, but we're also only at about 2,700 pounds, so nice and light, nice and compact. Definitely not a problem getting on the highway here. The clutch pedal is pretty light in this one. It feels lighter than the Countryman actually, which is kind of interesting. Visibility is definitely pretty good all around. Of course, with that hatchback shape, you end up with good visibility out the back. Nice square sides, nice square back. 27 mpg in this one city, 37 highway, which is really, really good. You know, definitely a good road trip car. As long as you don't have people hanging out in the back. Unless they're kids, you know, then you're good. Let's go ahead and pull a UE, see how this goes. Nice and tight. No problems there. Gets off the line just fine. Steering feels about the same as a Countryman actually. It's a little bit tight, or a little bit heavier than a lot of the modern sort of commuter cars, which is nice. You know, you want something like this, you want to get that little bit sportier feel, a little bit heavier on the steering. Still electric power steering, a little bit on the numb side, but it's nice to get a little bit of weight to it for sure. Definitely feel those bumps. We've got the auto on off too.
Yep.
Luckily we got this switch right there. So if you don't want to turn it off at the light, just hit that. Definitely a solid option here. Even with the 3-cylinder, definitely is zippy enough in this small packaging, you know. If you don't need the space.